Hello everyone, welcome to another video of AutoQuest. My name is Bhupinder, and guys, today I have the very basic Honda scooter, which is the Honda Activa 6G, and we all know that this Activa has a 110cc engine. Yes, we also have another option with the 124cc engine, which is Activa 125, but we are going to cover this normal Activa with the 110cc engine in this video. And this Activa 110 is the middle variant. So let's start with the variant, but before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification first, and also visit our website, which is carquestindia.com. Now let's talk about the variants. So this Activa 6G has three variants: standard variant, then deluxe variant, this is the deluxe variant, and a upper variant, which is the H Smart variant. Now the color options, so this is the white color. Other than that, you will get a gray color, black color, copper color, red color, and a blue color. So all these 6 color options available with this basic Honda Activa. Now let's check out what features we get in this Activa, and later in this video we will ride this scooter and will share our drive review. Now let's check out the base variant of Honda Activa and start with the headlights. So this vehicle has headlights given here, and there is some chrome used up there, and these are the indicators. There is the Honda sticker, normal sticker on this variant of Honda Activa. There is the place for the number plate. Down there you will get only chrome here, but in the Honda Activa 125 you will get the DRLs also, obviously a better engine also. Down there you will get this mudguard, and this is of metal, and there are the reflectors. The front suspension is the telescopic suspension, which we will check during the ride of Honda Activa, and this has the normal drum brakes, and the tire size of this Activa is 12 inches. Now let's check out the Activa from the side, and the length of this Activa is 1833 mm, and the wheelbase is 1260 mm, and the ground clearance of Activa is 162 mm. And there are the foot pegs, and this has very bulky, very wide silencer here with this metal plate. Up there is Activa written. In the Activa 125 you will see Activa 125 written here on the side of the scooter. And now let's check out the scooter from the rear. This is the very basic design, looks quite nice. Check out this part from this side. So this is quite extended part here, and there is the normal tail lights, and these are the indicators. Looks very nice. So the Activa's rear design is better than the other scooters in the competition. And up there you get a fuel tank, which is of 5.3 liters, and you can open the fuel tank from here. So to open the seat and to open the fuel, you will use this switch. So let's open the fuel lid first. It's open now. See, so this is how it opens. Nice thing here. Now let's open the seat of Honda Activa. So this is the only part where I feel Activa needs some improvement, because you cannot put a middle size helmet here. Only small size helmet can be accommodated in this box. So that is the only thing which I feel about this Activa, even in Activa 125, but the size of the seat is quite wide. Nice. Now let's sit on this scooter and check out the speedometer. So this normal speedometer is available here. There is the odometer, which is of old school type, and down there you will get the fuel gauge. There is the kill switch available, and in the upper variants of Activa 125 you get the eco start stop option, which is not there. This side there is the high beam, low beam switch. This switch is for the indicators, and this is for the horn. Let's hear it out. Okay, good. So good, sufficient sound here. Now see, these are the very good looking rear view mirror. So nice. So the design and the size of these rear view mirrors are quite good. Now let's start the Activa and let's ride it. So it's very dark now, and I am going to ride the Honda Activa 6G during night. Let's start. Nice. So I thought that this 109.5cc engine is not sufficient, which has the maximum output of 7.8 PS and torque of 8.7 Newton meter. So this is quite better. I feel that this is the sufficient power pickup of this scooter, because the fuel economy of this scooter is much better than any of the scooter which has the 124cc engine. Amazing. And this vehicle has the LED headlights, so you can see these LED headlights are quite bright. Amazing. So this is the low beam and this is the high beam, so we can see the high and low beam both during this time. And these white lights are nice, good. Now let's ride this scooter on little bit of the rough patch. So this is the rough patch, and the front suspension is the telescopic suspension, and rear suspension are the 3-way adjustable suspensions with the Honda Activa, which are quite better. And this scooter's ride height is nice. This is better now, and the ride height is quite low, so I am feeling like that I'm sitting very low than the other scooters. So I have a Suzuki XS 125 which has a very high ride height, so the tire size were bigger and the seat height is quite high in the Suzuki XS. So I ride that scooter, so I'm feeling very low on Honda Activa, but this footwell has sufficient space for my feet. This is nice. And look at the light in this cluster, these are also very beautiful. In the upper variants of Activa, you get the normal speedometer, but there is a small DIS available with the Activa's upper variants. Now let's rev it up a little more and check the power and the pickup. Amazing, nice. And the brakes are also nice. This has the drum brakes for the front and the rear, and they are working very efficiently. No issues with the braking. Maybe within few times you'll have to get them tight at the service stations with the time, but right now they are nice. They are working so well because this scooter is new. Amazing. So good ride quality of this Honda Activa. I'm really loving this scooter. Nice. So that was overall our walk around and the ride review of this Honda Activa. Obviously that this ride review is very small because right now it's very dark, and I have driven this scooter on my local roads in the society, and I could figure out that this is a very smooth, very sleek, very less engine sound is there with this Activa 110 variant. This is Activa 6G basically, and this is good. So the ride quality is nice. Now the pricing of this scooter, so you can see all the prices on the screen. The ex-showroom price for this variant, this middle variant, deluxe variant, you'll have to pay ex-showroom price of 78,000 rupees, which is nice. And in Haryana, this scooter cost on road almost 92,000 with the extended warranty and everything. So with all the packages, you'll have to pay 92,000 rupees on road for Honda Activa. So if you love the Honda Activa, and if you also ride Honda Activa, you can comment, or if you ride any other scooters, you can also tell us. So that was all about our side. Now we will see you in another video. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.